Are you ready for the next form? Now this is form 2 of the 12 posture form called raise hands above. Now let's keep it simple. Let's follow my lead and mirror each movement. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get the new Tai Chi practice videos. And drop a comment. I love to see how this is going for you. Now, let's begin. All right, so now form 2 of the 12 posture form. So we left off from the end of form number 1. So what's going to happen next? You're going to sit by tuck your hips and bend your knees. Make sure your back is straight. You shift your weight towards the right leg. You pick up the left heel by bending your left knee. You're going to take a step, landing heel first, toe up. And you're still keeping all your weight on your right leg. Now, the left hand is going to come up in the center of your body. The palm face towards you. The height is at the thumb is at nose level. And you're going for distance with this left hand. Now, the right hand comes up vertical towards the right corner and you follow the right hand. Then you pivot from the right elbow to join the palms and it'll be touching palm to palm in the center line of your body. After you join the palms, you're going to hook the left foot towards the right corner at a 45-degree angle, then toe down. Then you bend the front knee and go forward while still keep your back foot flat on the ground. And then all the weight is going to be forward on your left leg. So now let's practice together from the beginning. You want to have your feet beneath the hip joints, your hands relaxed, you lift your crown, tuck your chin, relax your shoulders, relax your chest, relax your breathing. And begin. We bend the wrist as the hand comes up to shoulder height. Sink the elbow down as the hands come back in front of your shoulders. Press down and flatten the palms. Now form 2, you're going to sit. Shift your weight towards the right leg, pick up the left heel, take a step, landing heel first, toe up. The left palm scoops up in front of your body, the palm face towards you. The right hand is vertical towards the right corner, you follow the right hand, then you pivot from the right elbow to join the palms and be touching palm to palm. Now, you hook the left foot towards the right corner, toe down, bend the front knee and go forward, straight ahead. Great job today with form number 2. Now keep practicing at least 1 to 5 times a day so you can commit it to memory. And if you're excited for the next form, drop a number 3 in the comments and I'll get that to you. And if you're ready to take your Tai Chi practice to the next level, I'd love to guide you. Visit energy.live where you can find online classes and on-demand video to help deepen your skills. And don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.